is what we're working with here. Somebody patched this with a piece of plywood, and here's what the door looks like. That was the floor right there and the trim. I don't even know what they did here. So we're gonna go down to at least that one there, and then this side over here we're gonna have to go and see if we can get a whole piece, because it's just completely gone. But luckily, you can see that up underneath there. Well, that's another piece of plywood where they got some. It's not too bad. It's still hard. Hit it with a hammer pretty hard and it doesn't do anything. And then look at all that right there. It's just nasty. But if you get up underneath there, you can still see that the actual wall is pretty good shape. This right here was the only reason I went down this far, and it's not bad. You can see that. That's where that air conditioner is leaking down, but again, it's still got some strength to it. So it's just, you know, it's just ugly looking. But that right there, looks like at one point in time a piece of plywood was put on here. Right there you can see where they added a piece of plywood. Really have no, I mean, I'm not an expert at all, but I can watch some videos and read some articles, you know. But yeah, so we're gonna have to figure out a way to get this jacked up a little bit and replace this whole joist here. Well, we're making some progress, but we got all that off of there. We found some good wood right there, so we're gonna go to that point and attach in, and then this side we're gonna have to replace the whole thing, so we're gonna go get a long one. Been working a little bit today, and we decided to come down here to the beach and see what it's like. This is, hey mom, her and her red hair, so she's gotta bundle up. Well, it's not bundle up, but cover up, I guess is the word I'm trying to say, and get out of the sun. So yeah, we're gonna check this beach out. This Kingfisher Beach, I think. She found her a little shell. Always looking for shells. So yeah, we're done working for the day. Decided we'd come down here for a few minutes and just check it out.